The history of the Gamewell Fire Alarm Box. Introduction. The Gamewell Fire Alarm Telegraph Company played a significant role in the development and widespread adoption of fire alarm boxes. The company, established in 1879, was built on the work of Dr. William Channing and Moses G. Farmer, who invented the first practical fire alarm system in 1852. John Gamewell acquired the marketing rights and eventually the patents, leading to the formation of the company. Key milestones in the history of Gamewell Fire Alarm Boxes. 1852. Dr. William Chang and Moses G. Farmer developed the first citywide fire alarm system in Boston, using a telegraph-based system of boxes on street corners. 1855. John Gamewell acquires the marketing rights to the system, paving the way for its widespread adoption. 1879. The Gamewell Fire Alarm Telegraph Company is formed, making marketing a pivotal moment in the development of fire alarm systems. Mid-1870s, the Gamewell system is installed in over 250 cities. Early 1800s, the Gamewell system is adopted by over 500 cities. 1870s, 1970s, and 1980s. Some fire alarm boxes were painted lime green in conjunction with fire apparatus during this period. 1984, many cities, including Charleston, began eliminating fire alarm boxes in favor of the 911 system. Present day, while fire alarm boxes are increasingly being replaced by modern systems, Gamewell continues to produce these boxes for use in areas where they are still in service. Closing. The Gamewell system is a significant advancement in fire reporting, enabling quick and efficient notification of fires. The boxes, located on street corners and in other public areas, send coded signals to the central fire station, allowing firefighters to respond quickly. While modern systems have largely replaced these boxes, they remain a part of fire history and continue to be used in some areas today. You can still find these Gamewell fire alarm boxes by visiting your local firehouse service restaurant. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you all next time.